In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make printable wall art using Canva listing art on Etsy. We'll set up a high-quality canvas, design an original piece that's compliant for commercial use, and export a professional file ready for your customers to print beautifully at home or through a print shop. First, open Canva and click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. Enter 24 by 36 inches. That's a 2:3 ratio, which is perfect because buyers can scale down to common sizes like 20 by 30, 16 by 24, 12 by 18, 8 by 12, and even 4 by 6 without losing clarity. Starting large helps preserve detail, and when you export as a high-quality print file, your design will remain crisp across all those sizes. Next, set up your print guides. Go to File, select View Settings, and turn on Show Print Bleed and Show Margins. The bleed area allows artwork to extend slightly past the edge so you don't get white slivers after trimming. The margin is your safety zone. Keep important text, signatures, or key design elements inside that margin so they don't risk being cut off. This simple step prevents the most common printing mistakes and keeps your final product looking polished and professional. Now, create your art. Browse Canvas elements, fonts, and backgrounds, but make sure you transform them meaningfully. Aim to modify any assets by at least 80% to make something original. That means combining multiple elements, changing colors, layering textures, using masks or frames, adjusting transparency, and applying effects. Avoid dropping a single element on the page and calling it done that won't meet commercial use terms. Build a cohesive composition, align shapes and text to your guides, and maintain hierarchy so your eye travels naturally across the design. If you're using typography, pair one display font with a simple supporting font, and check legibility at smaller sizes since customers may print smaller versions. Always ensure your design is your own unique creation and does not include trademarks or restricted content. When you're finished, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF print as the file type. This format preserves sharp vector lines and high-resolution images, making it ideal for professional printing. If you see the option, include crop marks and bleed to match the setup you enabled earlier. Give the file a clear name so buyers know exactly what they're receiving, and you're ready to provide a print-ready digital download. That's it. You've created original, scalable printable wall art in Canva and exported it in the best format for your shop. Thanks for watching.